Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! How are you tonight? We're doing something special tonight. Something very Canadian. Well, times two. Because we're making another Poutine. I'm doing another Poutine video. If you want to pronounce it Poutine, well, that's not how it's pronounced, but most people say it. Poutine is what we're making. But this is not a normal Poutine. My favorite Poutine is a pot roast Poutine. I've got a video for that. I have a pulled pork Poutine video. And today we're doing a chicken. This is leftover rotisserie chicken. There will be a link for the video of the rotisserie chicken. That was with the Budweiser seasoning. So yeah, very simple. You need some kind of gravy. Well, we're making a Swiss Chalet style Poutine today. So we're using Swiss Chalet dipping sauce for our gravy. You can get it in a package or in a can, but only in Canada. So sorry everybody else around the world. I do send this out to a select number of subscribers. You need cheese curds. Cheese curds these are cheddar cheese curds. This is what you need. Now, anybody that's ever made poutine in their life has used normal cheese at one time. One of my videos, I do use normal cheese because you don't always have curds in your fridge. Shit that bad, huh? So we got this leftover chicken. The fries, I chipped the potatoes this morning, soaked them for 4 hours, then I par cooked them for 5 minutes in oil at about 290 degrees, and we're ready to get going. Oil is heating up right now, and we're ready to rock and fucking roll. Oh, and wait a second, I need to turn this down. I want to make this a one beer video. I'm going to make a short video for once. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. So, we're going to get uncanny with a big fucking Carling. We're going to make it a one beer fucking video. Cheers, big ears. The weed fucking candies are kicking in. The THC's fucking going nuts on the brain. Woo! Woo! RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup. So let me move the camera around. Well, let me start the gravy here, and we'll put the, once it gets going, we'll put the chicken in, and then we'll get the fries going. Fuck yeah. If you want to use normal frozen fries, store-bought fries, use whatever fucking fries you got. I'm anal about French fries. Fucking anal. My French fry video is half an hour long. Like, I like my fries done my way. Use whatever kind of fries you want. Alright, bitches. Let's get going. Woo, RTFO. Chug-a-lug, doodle-bug. One beer video. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. Woo! Remember, one beer video. We're uncanny with the Carling. Alright, sauce is bubbling. Let's put in some chicken. It's a mix of both light white meat and dark meat. Yummy. Tasty. Let's give that a mix of roux. A little more. There you go. Now, for a traditional poutine, all it is, cheese curd, gravy, and fries. That's it. Salt and pepper, of course. We're changing this up. We're bastardizing this. Okay? Our oil is ready for our par-cooked fries. Yummy. Okay. Like I said, cook whatever type of fries you want to cook, however you want to do them. I'm anal when it comes to French fries. They gotta be my way. And McDonald's fries are good. I like them. Where's my paper towel? Oh, I left one. Oh, let's crank that up a notch. There you go, bitches. It'll be about 5 minutes. I like my fries dark. I like them well done. I don't want them to look like a raw potato. I have to move that out of the way. Alright, bitches. It's right about 5 minutes and I'm liking the look of them fries. Woo! Fuck yeah. Cheers, big ears. Scoop these bitches out. And there you go. Still a little light for my liking. I like them a little darker than that, but that's alright. Just put them in there for like less than a minute. Ah, fuck me. Get that excess oil off. We're going to salt them, and then we're going to put them in the bowl. Like that. Hey, the king of fries. They thought they forgot him. But no, he's back. Fuck yeah. Go right here. Salt. Salt your fucking fries. Ba-boom. I'm a salt fanatic. Okay, we're going in. Yahoo, there you go. All right, cheese curds, throw them in. Okay, I think we're good. That's all the curds that I want. Gotta save some for the next one. Eat a curd. Fucking good. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. Pour that gravy on there. Swiss Chalet sauce with chicken. Rotisserie chicken. We gotta get that cheese curd to melt, eh? Fuck yeah. And you want the cheese to melt. So, you know what? Foil, put a light tinting of foil over that. Or, if you have a bowl or something, like a vessel like that, hey, put that over there just for a few minutes. 3-4 minutes, that cheese is gonna melt, and boom, we eat more of that. And we got pepper, we're gonna put some pepper on that. Alright, I'll be back in like 3 minutes. You don't need to do this, but it's better if you do. Alright, bitches, it's been a couple of minutes. Boom. Looks like that. There you go. Away with you. Let's throw some pepper on there. Oh, ground pepper. Guess what? Hey, does that look familiar? A little elbow shot in there, eh? You know who that's for. There you go. Some freshly ground black pepper. And you know what? I've seen people put ketchup on poutine. That's just wrong. Sounds like it's a good thing, but it's wrong. Okay. Go away, pepper things. Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup, RTFO. Here we are with GB's Swiss Chalet style poutine. Smells fucking great. Fuck yeah. Oh fuck. That's really good. Really fucking good. Fuck, those fries are amazing. There you go. Cheesy. It's oozing. Where's Mr. MMT when you need him? Look out. Go away. Oh, you bitch. Got ya. Caught ya. Oh, fuck yeah. That's fucking great. Fuck yeah. Wow. I've been craving this for a couple of weeks now. And it's just like, when that chicken went on sale the other day, and it's like, oh, fuck me. I'm gonna do a rotisserie chicken and I'm gonna make some fucking Swiss Chalet poutine. Oh yeah. With real rotisserie chicken in it. That's how you do it, bitches. This is the drunk house, but you know what? Seems to me like I eat fairly well. Most drunk guys have a frozen dinner in a microwave. Fuck that shit. Have some real fucking food. You abuse your body enough with the booze. Fuck yeah. Oh man. Those are big fries. There you go, bitches. Got some cheese in there too. Alright. Fuck me. Make it. Eat it. Like it. Oh, it's so good. Alright, bitches. You've seen enough. That's great. Hey, and half a beer. It's only down to there. It's a half a beer video. Woo! RTFO mofos. Make yourself some poutine. You will not be disappointed. And do the extra thing and get cheese curds. Don't just use cheese, normal cheese. Alright. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice. Arrivederci Roma, take it easy, piano piano. AMF, stay off the pipe. RTFO, bitches.